Today's day 6 and there's 20 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making chocolate pretzel wreaths. First I'm going to melt 1 cup of green melting wafers. Now I have my station set up, so I line my counter with parchment paper. I have a fork, I have the green melting chocolate, pretzels, mini M&Ms, and Nonpareils. First I'm going to take a pretzel and add it into the chocolate, and then use the fork to coat the pretzel in the chocolate and shake off the excess, and then put the pretzel on the parchment paper. Then I'm going to take another pretzel and do the same thing, but then put it next to the other pretzel to form a circle. I'm going to do 5 pretzels in total for each wreath. Next I'm going to add 1 mini M&M on each pretzel for decoration for the wreath. Next I'm going to sprinkle some Nonpareils. Then I'm just going to continue making the wreaths. Now that I finished making the chocolate wreaths, I'm going to let them sit for about an hour to set up. Here's an up-close look of the chocolate pretzel wreaths.